Enjoy English with Phonics. Dear teachers, parents and children, happy learning! Let's learn the sounds of English alphabet. In English alphabet, there are 26 letters which makes 44 sounds. There are single sounds and there are digraphs and trigraphs. We are going to learn in this video single sounds and the diagraphs. Diagraphs means two letters making a new sound. Like when C and H come together, it makes the sound ch. All the vowels, they have short sounds and the long sounds. First we are going to learn the short vowel sounds and later the long vowel sounds. Letter Y also has two sounds. In the beginning of the word, it becomes consonant and says y. At the end of the word, it's a vowel sound. It says I or a. Capital letters and small letters, they both have same name and same sounds. Most of the English words we can learn with the sounds, but there are some words which we can't learn with the sounds. We have to learn them as sight words like number names, names of the months, names of the days of the week, and your names. All these we learn as a sight words. Let's learn the sounds with the keywords. Watch my mouth, listen and repeat. And let's learn the sounds. Come on. Apple, a. Sun, s. Tap, t. Nest, n. Pen, p. Igloo, I. Lamb, l. Dog, d. Fish, f. House, h. Bat, b. Kite, cup, k. Octopus, o. Goat, g. Rabbit, r. Man, m. Elephant, e. Van, v. Yarn, y. Wagon, w. Jam, j. Umbrella, a. Zip, z. Box, x. Let me show you the short and the long vowel sounds. Short vowel sounds: a, I, o, a. Long vowel sounds: a, e, I, o, u. Now let's learn the diagraphs. King, ng. Ship, sh. Chair, ch. Thumb, th. Mother, d. Lock, k. Queen, qu. Book, u. Moon, oo. Rain, a. Tray, a. Feet, e. Tie, I. Fly, I. Boat, o. Statue, u. Star, r. Feather, fork or Oil, oil. Out, ow. Superb! Well done! We are going to learn the alternative ways of spelling in the next video.